everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today I am actually opening up another Your Creative Studio box, and the box is labeled May, but this was actually their March box. So it is my understanding that a lot of their kits are pre-done well in advance, and with the pandemic, a lot of their items were very delayed towards the end of 2021. So all of their kits have sort of been shifted so that they could send out kits that they had all of the items for, and the items that they were missing would go into different kits. So this was meant to be May's box, which is kind of a coincidence because I'm actually opening it in May, but this was actually March's box. So it makes it a little bit difficult to be able to say you could go and get this kit right away. I would just suggest if you are liking the items or the kit, if you like the vibe, if you like vintage style ephemera and stationery, just go ahead and sign up for that subscription so you don't ever miss anything in the future. When I get these kits, it's well after the subscribers get them. I'm not like an official design team member, so I don't get them well in advance like I do with the stationery selection. I typically get my boxes well after everybody else. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to do what I always do. I'm just going to lift the whole thing out of the box. I haven't peeked, even though it looks like I have. I promise I haven't. And it says letters are among the most significant memorial a person can leave behind, and I could not agree more. If you know me or anything that I do, you know that letter writing is a huge part of my life. I am an avid letter writer with well over 60 active pen pals all over the world. So I'm very excited to see what could be in this kit. I see a cotton flower here, so it might have some soft cottony vibes, but let's just go ahead and open this up. Uh-oh, I see a box. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this little charm, and how adorable is this? It is a little envelope with a heart on it. I love, love, love that. All right, so next we have some mail arty type stickers. These look like postal cancellation type stickers, and I am all over this. Oh, I love this. Oh, this one is my favorite. I love cancellations and registered tags, and I love seeing the different countries' airmail stickers. I actually do collect those personally from letters that I've gotten, but these are all really fun. I already know I love these. All right, so sorry, I just I just cuddled with one of my cats, and now my nose is a little bit itchy. She's a long hair calico, and I might be allergic to her, but I still love her. Okay, so we have a Victorian lady writing a letter. Oh, I love this. This is gonna be fun. I will test this out so that we can see a clearer image. These look like little, they look like they're meant to be like little washi strips. But they're from like paper, like written letters or envelopes. So those are really fun, and there's a lot in that pack. Let's see, it looks like we have another, a couple of stamps. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, I haven't opened this, but it does look like my stuff has been opened, but I promise that I have not seen this. This is real-time reactions. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this. This kit is like way up my alley. And then we have this triangle postal cancellation. I cannot wait to stamp that. That has a very Tim Holtz vibe. We have another stamp. You guys know I love my stamps. Oh, I don't want to rip it. We have a mail sorter or holder, some letters, and a dip feather pen. Now you remember a couple years ago we got a feather dip pen and I absolutely died over it. I still actively use it. I love that pen. It's my favorite. But yeah, I love that pen. I still actively use it all the time. It's the nib on it is fantastic. So it seems like the washi design here has some old letter writing, or text, I should say. We've got a rose, it looks like, cancellations, a little postage stamp, and then the rose again. It repeats after that. There's a lot in this kit. And that's a long line for it to not repeat for that long. Alright, so here is the exclusive sticker set, and it looks like a little pigeon post sticker design with the little dove or pigeon with the letter in his beak, and I love this. And they are black and white and a clear sticker. I wouldn't say these are washi. I would say these are more just a clear sticker, which I love. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay, so you remember last month when I opened up the tissue paper and I said I immediately could feel that this was something we hadn't had before? This is what I was talking about. I immediately could feel that this was different, even though it was in the paper. But it looks like it's all the same design. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to risk ripping it, but here is the design. You can see it. I hope it's not too glary. But we got that same, I guess it wasn't a cotton flower. It looks like it's rosebuds and the cancellations and the water marks, which I love. Ooh, so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm trying to stay calm because I think this is my favorite kit we've ever had. This is a letter set, and it comes, oh my gosh, okay. It comes with 2 different designs of envelopes, 3 each. So there's 6 envelopes. Here is the back of them, and then the front. How delicious are these? Oh my God, this was made for me. I feel like this was made just for me. If I curated a kit, this is probably exactly what it would look like. And then here is the stationery. I absolutely love this. This one's got really faint lines on it, and this one has this really beautiful framing detail, and this just feels like printer paper. There's nothing like super delicate or extra special about it, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna trust fountain pen on that, but we can always try. Uh-oh, my mother-in-law is calling me. I have to call her back. Okay, and it looks like another letter set. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am totally freaking out. Okay, so 3 envelopes. Here are the back of the designs. And the front. Oh my gosh. This looks like Tim Holtz curated this kit, does it not? Like with these wallpaper designs and the like distressing on the edges. Absolutely stunning. All right, here is the letter writing paper. So we've got this beautiful design. And again, this one's got some lines on it. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then this last item. Okay. This is a pen. Could this be a pen? I feel like that would be right on brand. The deception. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a glass dip pen. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Is this not so beautiful? I even love that the glass is like this amber color. I love that. Oh, we're going to test this immediately because I actually have ink sitting out because I just inked a fountain pen. All right, okay, I'm looking for paper. I think I'll just use my little to-do list notebook here. I had a glass dip pen years ago and I broke it because these things can be kind of delicate and I haven't replaced it yet. At the time I got it from AliExpress and I actually loved it. I used it all the time. But if you could see the ink, it goes into these little bevels and that's what holds your ink for you. And it actually will last a really long time. Sometimes you have to get on the right side of the glass because there's definitely like a point. Right there, I found it. You could see. You just have to find the right angle sometimes with these nibs. But yeah. I wouldn't say the writing experience is primo for this particular one. I think I just need to find the right angle that is happy with this nib, but I absolutely love it. And this ink is actually a Colorverse ink, and it is one of the state specials. And this particular one is Delaware, if anybody was curious about the ink. Just gonna, I wanted to get some of the ink off of there and then smear it so that you guys could see how good this ink is. I absolutely love it. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in even though it's got ink all over it because I don't want to break it. But yeah, holy moly. So I've got my clear block. You know, it is that new thing where the adhesive is not on the image, so you don't have to worry about losing the sticky, but you do need to take this plastic cover, and it is a little bit tricky. It's the right spot, and it looks like some of the adhesive kind of wants to stick to it. See how it kind of peeled away, and maybe it's supposed to, I don't know, but it seems to be sticking okay to my thing here. So let's just go ahead and test these two. I'm just gonna stamp the back of this card. Oh. Okay, I'm fine. Everything's fine. Nothing to see here. Okay, this one I think is defective. I could not get the clear backing off without taking the image too. So I'm just gonna leave it on there because I don't want to ruin this. That probably wasn't a clear image. Look how good. Oh my gosh, the lines are so clean with that. I can't wait to use this. So, oh, here's this stamp. I didn't test this one. Let's see if I can't get... See, there we go. It was sorted, and this isn't sticky, but it still sticks to the thing. So good. So crisp. 4 stamps. 2 letter writing sets. These stickers, these stickers, these stickers, and this tissue paper. There's more than one sheet in here. I think there's like 3 or 5 in here from what I remember from last month, but holy bananas, this is nuts. This is a lot, and I love all the colors and textures everywhere, and these letter writing sets are just absolutely divine. So that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have liked this unboxing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio for you. Thanks. Bye.